Want to spice up your daily check-ins? Why not do that with a little bit of gacha? I'm Nemi, and I can show you how to do that with some mix-it-up commands. This is how it will work on stream. When you press the test button, Nemi offered to drive, so Nemi doesn't have to and gain 2 points. They now have 4 report points. This is another gain 2 points. Let me click it until it shows you a minus point. Yeah, so Nemi stole Nemi's blanket and lost 1 point. They now have 5 report points. In Mix It Up, you're going to go to currency on the side. Once you're clicked in, you're going to create a new currency. You're going to add your currency name right over here. And then make sure you change your online rate to disabled. If you only want one message, you can skip the action group part and head to the next section. In action groups, you're going to create 2 commands. One is for when you win the gacha, and one is when you lose the gacha. For this one, I'm going to create win. Because I want a random message to show up, I'm going to go down to random. Click that. Amount, we're just going to have one show up. Up to you if you would like duplicate messages to show up or not. We're going to go into chat message. Mine is rapport points with me. So you can either earn 2 or lose 1. So since this one is win, my message would be username has gained 2 points with Nemi. They now have a total of, and then user $currency points. So when you put in the special identifier, yours would be user and then whatever the name of your currency name is. So mine is rapport, so I would change this to username rapport points. You're going to add this in. You're going to create another one and create as many messages as you want for Mix It Up to randomly generate. Once you're done, press save and you are good to go for this one. Afterwards, you're going to do the same thing with lose. So if I just change this to show you if this is lose, I'm going to do the same thing, add a random command, add 1. Username, I would change it to has lost 1 point with Nemi. They now have a total of how many currency points. Once you have that all set up, it's time to add it into your channel points. I'm gonna head to channel points. Depending on if you already have a channel point reward for your daily check-in, you're going to have to switch it out. So depending on which one it is, you're going to add it to an existing command or create a new channel point reward. For your convenience, I had made this file and it is located in my Discord server, which I have included the invite link down below. You're welcome to join and grab it yourself, or you can recreate this as well. Taking a look here, I have made my gacha based off of a random number generator. You will have to create a special identifier name. I just wrote Nemi level. And the value you're gonna put in $random number 100. So walking through it, you can see you have your random number generator up here. There is a conditional. If your number is between 1 to 65, you would win. And then you would add an action over here that allows you to add the consumables. So my consumable is my rapport, add to user 2, and then run a command that will add my plus points action group. If you were to do this with just one chat message, you would just type in chat message in this section. And then down here, you're going to do the same thing with loss. So if your random number generator produces a number between 66 and 100, you would lose 1 report point, and then it would send a message with losing the points. After that, you're going to head into your Twitch rewards, your daily check-in, check everything to make sure it is how you want it to be. And then down here for cooldown limits, make sure you do limit redemption per stream is 1. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy. Try it out. Let me know how you did. See you later. Bye-bye.